I heard birds, cars, and the wind. I saw a chickadee, heard a tractor beeping, a truck, a car, and I saw a blackbird.
Cars driving, planes, doors opening.
We live in the countryside, actually, so I don't hear cars like everyone else. It's more of a pure sound here. You can hear. Well, the birds, I can feel the wind. It's not all that warm outside. You could see maybe the barn if I went to the window.
Heard chicken, saw chicken, a yellow leg. 9:51 a.m. I see trees, geese, by a squirrel climbing on my knee. Birds playing. I hear birds playing geese. Sister play with my helmet, woodpecker, footsteps. I feel happy. What I did was all the colors, orange, blue, and green, like dark pink, and then put it all over so that all the colors are shaded with that color. Mine is a cloud with a tree on it, with a Siberian tiger climbing up it, and a person. But all that is on the cloud.
The orange, like you can see, is kind of like sand. And then the green is cactuses. And then the blue that you guys see right there is a bird I tried making, and then the red is another bird. And then where's that yellow thing is the sun.
The music made me think of a video I'd seen, and the video was about a man playing a flute on a mountain.
It's a country with some railroad tracks on the outer. And here's some bridges where the car goes.
There's a kind of island here with a tree on it. And behind the mountain, there is a river that kind of turns into a sea. You can get onto that island only by boat. There's no bridges or anything. It's the calm place where you'd listen maybe to your music.
Could we do another one?